Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. My brother, how's it good?
Sharp, man. Maganko sharp. Yeah, Anko sharp. Anko sharp.
Why?
Bokumele siwine le game namhlanje. Khuluma iqiniso. Melanga sibamba ama calculator, calculate ukuthi sana sidlala kanjani in, you understand?
Yeah.
We're supposed to win this game ourselves. Unfortunately, asibanga ne lucky. Yangithola it is besimakile namhlanje.
Strong.
Kakhulu. Kakhulu from first whistle up until the last whistle. Abesimakile ngithola. But sothini, it's game of football.
Yeah,
it's game of football.
Ngosebenzisa amathuba akho vele ngeke uzowina.
Yeah, angeke uzowina. We're supposed to win this game kahle kahle. Bokumele sebenzisa amathuba ukuthi siwine. Then siyazi ukuthi ke fine if Sundowns iyawina namhlanje. Yangithola siba number 1. Yangithola ine game in Sundowns.
Exactly.
The problem ileyo. Inkinga yile ngoba kube bengana game in hand. Yeah, besoba mnandi ngale draw le. Uyangithola anginandaba ukuthi iChiefs idrawile kwenzakala in mina for said lam as a Orlando Pirates support fan. Anko sharp ngoba ngifuna ukutshela manje Anko sharp Anko sharp I'm shattered.
Sorry bro. Sorry.
I'm shattered and then asale ngeke siwine wonke ama game but wabona this one bokwi passage to league victory this one and said unfortunately and angeke blame ama players sithi ubani wenze in hey you don't have to blame players.
Asithi lucky bengekho.
Yeah, lucky bengekho. You don't have to blame players lucky bengekho. Understand? But it is merely last game. Yes, the season.
Thina sifuna ukubona helicopter ndoda indiza phezulu.
Thina sobe sine orbit. Angazibona badlala iSundowns idlala in last game lapho.
Idlala
Asusene hope yokuthi league
angazidlala nani but idlala Loftus.
Loftus. Yes, last game yethina orbit. Uyangithola. Yes. Last game to orbit ne. Is on this helicopter so one.
Mine is a good.
Angiphelile moya.
Ngizomnyama.